In this video, we will show you how to insert text onto a web page. Next, let's put some text onto our web page. If you like, you can definitely place your cursor and start typing in. Or maybe you're like me, or you're coming from a third-party website, or you actually just have everything prepared in a Word document, we can go ahead and copy that. So let's highlight our text and do a nice copy. As I do that, I just want you to notice the formatting you see here. There's some bold, there's some different sizing, and there's also some color. So we never actually want to just paste our text directly into a web page. Instead, what you're going to do is place your cursor where you want the text to appear. Then on the content tree, you're going to look for this little clipboard icon with the T to paste as plain text. So we select there, we can paste our text. Notice that the formatting is still here. However, as soon as we click OK, it removes all that formatting for us. This is very important to do every time you're pasting copied content, because what it's going to do is it's going to reduce the number of coding problems that may occur with copied content. As you are working on your content box, what you can do is actually click this little 4 arrows, and that's going to maximize your working space. Now that we have our font here, we can go ahead and style it. When you are styling your font, we also suggest using this format dropdown that includes your heading tags. These heading tags were designed by our graphics team for you and are the default fonts for your website. So we strongly recommend using these heading tags because it will create a nice consistency throughout your website, especially if you have multiple people working on it. And if you ever do end up changing your fonts, it's much easier for our graphics team to change those heading tags as opposed to you going in and changing the font on every page. Applying those heading tags is very simple. Just highlight your text. Titles we usually reserve for heading 1. Subtitles you can do heading 2. And heading 3 can also be used for subtitles as well. Now, anything you don't apply a heading tag to will automatically be set at normal. So let's go ahead and save those changes. Now, if we take a look at those heading tags we put, even though we did apply the heading tags, you'll see they're just appearing as black and a bit different sizing in edit mode. In order to see the actual formatting for those, we're just going to switch to preview mode. And if we scroll down, there's our heading tags. Again, remember, your heading tags will appear as whatever the default fonts were set for your website.